Yo, what's going on YouTube? I have an unboxing for y'all today. So, I'm doing this out of curiosity because I feel like, everyone's wondering what's the difference between discounters or authorized retailers. So, I have this one from an eBay discounter. The eBay discounter is foreverlux. That's the seller. And then this one's the Macy's. This is authorized. So, yeah, I have Spicebomb Extreme. They're both the same size. It comes in this package, first package. I'm gonna get the discounter one first. Alright, so the discounter. foreverlux, right here. Alright, I have it right here. And I'm gonna check the batch codes in a little bit. Alright, so I have both of them. So the authorized one is 22T550DD. Alright guys, so I have both the boxes right here. This is the discounter and this is the Macy's. So I see the difference between the two is that the discounter, this one goes up and this one's kind of flat right here. This is the Macy's one again. And the packaging on this, or the plastic is kind of open already for the discounter. And the Macy's is still perfect condition. But the boxes seem to check out. But the difference between this one and this one is just more like texturized. And this one's more flat, the Macy's one. You guys can check the batch codes. This one is the Macy's is 22T50DD. This is the foreverlux discounter 22TD0DM. So I checked it online on Check Fresh. This one checks out, and it is made 6 months ago. This one also checks out. This was made a year ago. All right, y'all. So this is the Macy's one. It shows this, right? And then this is the discounter one. See, I knew that it was open before because this has been ripped off. But yeah, this is the discounter one. So it's been open before for sure. But it is legit. You can compare the bottles. Both the same. And they smell the same too. Everything checks out. Check the bottom. Yeah, it's the same thing. Same color. So this is legit. So discounters officially checks out. Legit. But I don't know what's going on, why they removed it. Alright, so I'm gonna do a smell test now. I'm gonna spray the discounter on my left side, and then I'm gonna spray the Macy's on the right side. So it took like 2 clicks or 2 sprays. And then I'm gonna try this one right here, the Macy's, right side. Also like 2 clicks. Alright, so off the bat, same exact smell. No difference at all, same exact smell. But I do want to come back to it later, the dry downs and all that. So I'm gonna go somewhere, and then right when I come back, I'm gonna make a whole summary conclusion on this video. Alright y'all, so I was smelling both throughout the day, left and right, and they were both the same thing. Honestly, yeah, I saved about like $50, $40 from the discounter, from the eBay discounter compared to Macy's. So if I were you guys, I would definitely go with the discounter. You know, but if you want to have that peace of mind, just wait for Macy's to have a sale and buy it through Macy's if you want. But yeah, it was the same thing. That was my conclusion for this video. Yeah, the only thing that was different was like the fonts, and the batch is different because this was made a month ago or a year ago, and this was made 6 months ago. Yeah, so the reason why sometimes discounter and Macy's smell different is because the batches vary. You know, so I sometimes do see comments, people saying discounters fakes can slip up in there. So, you know, you got to be aware of that, honestly. So if you do want to keep your peace of mind, just pay the extra $1, and you know, you won't have that in the back of your head that you bought it from a discounter. But you know, for my case, it was both the same thing. It's up to you. It's your money. If you want to spend it more on Macy's, that it's up to you. But if you want to spend less on discounter, that's up to you also. All right. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, man. I'm probably gonna start posting some fashion and stuff like that. And you guys have a wonderful day. All right. Stay tuned for more videos.